Greetings, the Qwaint viewers. Unfortunately, our main mission for Doomsday didn't go according to plan. We were unable to delete YouTube.com because somehow YouTube fans were able to get a hold of the deactivation code and comment it all over YouTube. However, we were able to hack into thousands of people's YouTube channels and we still have total control of the Qwaint's channel. One moment please.
Alright guys, I'm taking back control of my channel. Let's get out of here. He's coming back. Let's get out of here. Hello, are you guys there? Wait, I think I'm back. I'm back. Oh my gosh! Hi Spy Ninjas! I got my channel back. It probably means that you guys have been leaving over 1 million comments all over YouTube saying Zorgo defused, and that's the reason why I have my channel back. All of you are my heroes. You are the reason I have this back, but it's not over. I'm still in the Doom room. I'm going to destroy the code so Doomsday date will never ever happen again. Okay, let's see here. Oh yeah, they're coming. They're coming back. I'm gonna hide. Okay, guys. Alright, I'm under the table with all the laptops. I can hear the footsteps coming.
You know what? We should get Chad in even more trouble. We already have his DNA. So what if we steal something with his name? He'll get arrested.
What if we rob banks?
Rob banks, yes. That's a great idea. Let's rob banks and Chad will get arrested because they'll think he's the one who robbed banks.
He'll be in prison for robbing banks. Okay, let's get back to decoding Doomsday.
Alright, let's go for that.
Okay, they're all on their computer. I think this is a great time for me to sneak out. Oh my gosh, guys! I think they're coming after me! I gotta look for a place to hide! Okay, there's a bunch of bushes here. It's completely dark at night. Okay, I don't see anyone. There's like a bunch of bushes here. It's super dark out at night, but there's a good thing there's a lot of bushes and a lot of trees and a lot of good hiding places for me out here. But I don't know where they are right now. I hope they're not after me anymore. I don't know, do you guys see them? Do you guys see them anywhere? Oh no, I hear footsteps. Oh my gosh, they're coming.
Hey, B, we know it was you. You know you're around here somewhere. Alright, let's split up. EC4 to the left, EC18 to the right, I'm in the middle. Alright, got it.
Oh no, there's 3 of them. There's one there. Where's the other one? Oh my gosh. Why is that one blue? Why is that guy blue?
I don't see it. What was that? Something over here. Right. Take the left side of the bush, take the right side of the bush. Yeah, go. What the heck, man? Oh, I heard something. Man, she's gotta be around here somewhere. We know she came this way.
Oh my god, guys. I think I got away. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Oh no, the camera's stuck. I can't get this out. They're coming. Oh no, I can't. Ah, I gotta go.
Look, guys, she dropped her camera. Look at her. She's running away now. Alright.
Alright guys, I found another hiding spot. It's behind this brick wall here. I had to leave my camera behind because it got stuck and the hackers got way too close. So I'm vlogging on my phone right now. But I need to come up with a plan to get my camera back. And I'm gonna do exactly what they did to me. You know how they recorded my voice on the cassette tape and they tricked Chad to thinking that it was me and made him do all these things and get him trapped in the elevator? Remember this? This is one of my spy gadgets. It is a recording dart. You can record your voice on here. What I'm gonna try to do is gonna record my voice and then I'm gonna just toss this dart into a tree or somewhere far away to trick them to think that I'm way over there. And I'm gonna try and get my camera back. This dart here, this is, you see a little speaker here. This is where I actually talk and it will record my voice and then it also serves as a speaker. These Project Zorgo hackers, I'm just gonna taunt them and pretend that I'm in a tree. Hey hackers! You're not a spy ninja like me. I bet you can't climb this tree. I'm small, I'm fast. I bet you can't catch me up here. Let's see you try. I'm gonna try and play this back to see if it recorded correctly. Let's see. Hey hackers, what? You're not a spy ninja like me. I bet you can't climb this tree. Okay, it recorded, definitely. Now, I'm gonna look around for a tree to throw this in. I kinda wanna see them try and climb it, and then I can take my camera back. This tree here is super high. Look how tall it is. I don't think they can climb up there. Look at all these branches. I'm gonna try and throw the dart in there. All right guys, I'm gonna set the phone down so I can throw this dart way up into the tree over there. Hey hackers, you're not a spy ninja like me. I bet you can't climb this tree. I'm small. Alright, the audio of me is playing right now, so I think this is gonna trick them really badly.
Is it recording? Yeah, I think so. You guys hear that, right? It's coming from that tree over there? Yeah, V's taunting us. She thinks we can't get up that tree. What is she thinking? That's not even that tall of a tree. We gotta record this. This is gonna be funny, the three of us catching V. Yeah, finally, we got her.
We'll have this documented forever.
We sure will. Alright, V. Let's set the camera down. Let's climb up there and get her. Keep recording. Alright, so we just set it down. Alright. You didn't really think this through, V. Yeah, I don't know why she would climb up there. It's foolish. Alright, who's going up there? How did she get up there?
I'm in fear.
I got it! I got my camera! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so dark! Oh my gosh! Oh, easy! I'm gonna lose some of these plants here. These plants are super tall, and I'm a spy little ninja. They won't be able to find me in here. I don't see them anywhere. Do you? There they are.
Where did you go?
I don't know, guys. I think we lost her. How did we do that? How did she skip us? She's a little tiny spot ninja, isn't she?
Maybe she ended up in the jungle gym over there.
Okay.
It looks like there's a lot of hiding spots over there.
Alright guys, I I can't believe they didn't see me under these bushes. Yeah, these bushes are so high and they're way over there right now. I think this is a good chance for me to really get out of here. And I think the only way to get out of here is I just make a run for it in the opposite direction as fast as I can. But I'm gonna call Chad up first and have him pick me up in the Tesla. I'm gonna send him my location right now. Yep, he responded. He's gonna come. So I'm just gonna book it and run as fast as I can that way. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, run! Oh gosh, alright, I think Chad's here.
Hurry, quick. Are they coming?
I think they're coming.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Chad. Thank goodness you came.
What is
okay, a bunch of Project Zorgo members were like running and chasing after me. You cannot believe what I heard. They said something about framing you for...
Again?
Yes! This time, even worse, for robbing a bank or something like that.
Oh, jeez.
That is so crazy. We gotta figure this out.
We need to stop them.
We need to get some ninja gadgets, some
Yes.
spy gadgets to finally put a stop to this. I think we're so close, Chad. Alright guys, make sure to click right here to see what ninja gadgets and spy gadgets we get to defeat this Project Zorgo. Oh, thank you so much to all you notification ninjas. I'm showing your comments right here. Thank you so much for showing up for the first 60 minutes that I post a video. Make sure to subscribe to me, subscribe to Chad, and follow us on Instagram at Qwaint and at Chad Clay. We need to solve this thing very quickly, you guys. I'll see you soon.